Hello YouTube, Jerry Kirkpatrick here, and on October 2nd and 3rd we're going to have a metal bashing meet here at my shop, and Ron Covell has put together a very nice video introducing the event. So let's take a look at that video.
For many years, there's been an annual metal bashing meet in Bonnie Doon, California. This was hosted by John Forbes, assisted by Bruce Suba. The event was canceled last year due to fires on John's property, and he's still dealing with the aftermath. Jerry Kirkpatrick stepped up to host this year's event at his shop, Valley Forge and Welding, in Willits, California, about 150 miles north of San Francisco. The workshop is on Saturday and Sunday, October 2nd and 3rd, from 8 to 5. The fee is $100 per person, which includes attendance both days, plus morning snacks and coffee, and a full catered lunch both days. Participants can bring a partner or family members for an additional $30 each to cover the meals. Each morning will feature demonstrations by 3 talented metalworkers. Lunch will follow, and then participants are welcome to work on their own projects. Many are assisted by the demonstrators and other knowledgeable participants. Or you're free to circulate and learn by watching and asking questions. There'll be a raffle on Sunday afternoon where you'll have the opportunity to win prizes donated by some generous companies in the metalworking community. Here's a preliminary list of the demonstrators. Mick Clark. Mick was trained in England, and he spent a lifetime building bodies for cars like Cobras, Jaguars, Ferraris, and many other rare classics. Ron Covell. I've had a long career building show cars and motorcycles, and for the past 25 years, I've taught metal shaping to thousands of people through my classes, videos, and writing. Aaron Green. Aaron is an acknowledged master of custom motorcycle design and fabrication. He excels at metal shaping, machining, and frame design and fabrication. Jerry Kirkpatrick. Jerry has been demonstrating at the metal bashing meet from the start, and he always has new tricks to reveal based on his long career in motorsports fabrication. He's also a master blacksmith and is quite popular on YouTube. The best way to register is with PayPal. Send $100 to Jerry for each participant and $30 for each guest. Send to jerry@sabre.net. Use that email address for any questions about the event. You can also register by mailing a check or money order to Valley Forge and Welding, 651 East Valley Street, Willits, California, 95490. All participants will receive a confirmation after registering. The event is limited to 35 people and will most likely sell out, so don't delay if you're serious about attending. Jerry has negotiated special rates at nearby hotels, and there's a KOA nearby. He can provide limited camping on his property too. I hope to see you at the 2021 Metal Bashing Meet.
So if you have any other questions, feel free to give me a call or send me an email, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. And also, we've had some additions to our demonstrator lineup, and that would be Dave McIntyre. He's worked for Campbell Auto Restoration, Katati Speed Shop, and at present he is working at Gary's Speed Shop down here in Middle California. And you have probably seen many of the cars that he has had a hand in building both on the covers of many magazines and in winning in different car shows. Just yesterday, I was on the phone with Gene Winfield, and he has agreed to come up and be part of the event. So if you decide to attend in October, you will have the great opportunity to rub shoulders, have lunch with, and ask questions to two of the most well-respected metal shapers in the United States, and that would be Ron Covell and Gene Winfield. As for the raffle, we just recently added Aircraft Spruce as one of our sponsors. They've already sent many items, and as an update, I'll be making a little later on, I'll be opening some of the boxes that are starting to arrive. All of the sponsors are sending smaller items that will go into a goodie bag that each of you will receive when you sign in. And then on Sunday after lunch, we will have a raffle, and you'll have a chance to win all of the stuff that these many sponsors are sending in. If you're planning on staying at one of the motels that are affording a discount here in Willits, be sure to mention Metal Bashing Meat, and that will secure your discount for the weekend. And for COVID-19, we are in Mendocino County in Northern California, and we will be complying with the health code of Mendocino County. And that means that you may be wearing a mask while in the shop. So for the safety of everybody that is in attendance, it would be greatly appreciated if you could abide by these rules. I'd like to thank my patrons and everybody that has bought me coffee. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell, because there will be probably weekly updates, and you'll be able to see all of the material that is coming in from all of our donors. Thank you very much. See ya.